So here's the tin can that I pulled off of there. So he had to cut the tin can in half just to get it over the pipe. This isn't big enough. So this is just pretty hilarious to me, because that dude probably made like, this is probably like a 50 cents, 75 cent come up. Scrapping that stainless exhaust wrap repair and replacing it with this tin can. So that's just real funny to me. So I'm gonna toss this thing, but I might incorporate something with another tin can and then put the exhaust wrap over that. So but this is crazy, man. Drugs are crazy. People on drugs will do crazy shit. Alright, so I got that super fancy, handy dandy exhaust repair wrap on there. As you can see, this thing is just funky as funky gets. And then welds on there. But yeah, it's funky. But I got that on there. Let's see how it does. So before it was so loud, it seemed like it was missing. Alright, let's see how she does here. Here we go. Fire and hope. Fire and hope. First time starting this Jeep in months. Well, not months, but... Oh. Just gotta jiggle the battery cable around a little bit. It's dark over here, can't really see, but push the battery cable back down tight and set the radiator hose back on top to hold it down. Alright, there we go. Let's fire up the old Jeep. Fire and hope. Oh yeah. Dang. I think it's leaking somewhere else too. So I got that stainless repair wrap on there to repair the crack in that, or to cover the crack in the pipe there, so it won't be so loud. Then I started it up and realized another hole had blown in it right there. So like any good home garage mechanic, I just started slapping a ton of JB Weld on there, and hopefully it's getting good and dry. It's been sitting overnight. Feels pretty dry. Covered up the hole that blew out in that part. So now, you know, hopefully that'll last, you know, 1,000 miles or so. We'll see before that rattles off. But for now, you know, the goal is just to be able to start it without it being so loud and disturbing my neighbors. So that's the only thing. For now, I don't feel like spending a bunch of money on this Jeep and getting new pipes made for it. So hopefully this will hold up. We'll see how it does. Alright, let's see if she's running any more quiet. Fire up here, look at the miles, 222.90. Fire and hope. Oh. She's not as quiet as she was. Or she's not as loud as she was, I should say. But something's still going on here. I must have a leak up there on the head or something. Because it's still kind of loud. It's not as loud, but something ain't right up there, so. Oh, that don't look like no fun. Trying to put a new exhaust intake gasket on this four banger. A lot of stuff in the way up there. But hopefully this will do good for now. I don't mind she putters a little bit. It's not as annoyingly loud as it was. So hopefully the Jeep is back in commission.